Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Grande-Vallee is a small community on the north shore of the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. It sits along the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The municipality has a population of just over 1,000 people, making it one of the smaller communities along this part of the Gaspé coast. Grande-Vallee gets its name from the Grande-Vallee River, which runs through the community and empties into the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The river valley is surrounded by forested hills, while the coastal area opens up toward the Gulf. This combination of mountains, river, and ocean gives the community much of its character. The first permanent settlers arrived in the area in the 1840s. Alexis Caron and his family are generally recognized as the first permanent settlers, arriving in 1842. A Catholic mission was established a few years later, in 1846, as more families settled in the area. For many years, Grande-Vallee depended heavily on fishing, farming, and forestry. Fishing was particularly important because of the community's location directly on the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Cod and other fish provided food and income for generations of local families. Forestry also became an important part of the local economy. The forests surrounding Grande-Vallee provided timber, and wood-related businesses continue to contribute to the community today. Fishing is still part of the area's identity, but Grande-Vallee is no longer dependent on it in the way it once was. Like many communities in the Gaspé Peninsula, the local economy today is a mixture of resource industries, services, and tourism. During the warmer months, visitors come through the area to enjoy the coastline, rivers, forests, and outdoor activities. The surrounding area offers plenty for people who enjoy the outdoors. Fishing, hunting, hiking, boating, and other activities are popular here. The Gulf provides a dramatic coastal setting, while the inland forests and mountains give the area a very different landscape just a short distance from the water. Grande-Vallee also has an interesting history of transportation and communication. A post office opened here in 1872, helping connect the community with the rest of the region. As roads and transportation improved, Grande-Vallee became more closely connected with the other communities along the Gaspé coast. The population has changed very little in recent years. The 2021 census recorded about 1,000 residents, which was slightly higher than the population recorded 5 years earlier. Like many smaller communities in eastern Quebec, Grande-Vallee has an aging population and faces the challenge of keeping local services strong while attracting younger families and workers. Housing is one area where Grande-Vallee can look quite different from larger parts of Quebec. Properties here are generally much less expensive than in Montreal, Quebec City, or the larger communities around the province's major cities. However, there are not enough recent sales to give a meaningful official average house price for Grande-Vallee. Prices can vary widely depending on the condition of the home, the size of the property, and how close it is to the water. One of the interesting things about Grande-Vallee is that the community is relatively small, but it covers a large area. Much of the municipality is forested, so there is a lot of open space between the developed areas. The result is a community where the natural landscape is always a major part of daily life. Grande-Vallee is also a good example of the traditional communities found along the Gaspé Peninsula. Its history was built around the sea, the forest, and the river. Those industries have changed over time, but they are still part of the area's identity. Today, Grande-Vallee combines a small local population with natural scenery, outdoor recreation, and a long connection to the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Thanks for watching!